How long is it that you're trying to launch your new business idea? You put all of your life savings and every single ounce of your strength in your body to scale your new business, but you didn't even see the fraction of the results that you wanted to. But how is it that some people almost instantly start making 50K a month with their coaching? Well, coaching is a great business model for you to start, get into 100K a month, and then from the cash flow start other businesses. So if you want to go from 0 to 100K, I'm going to break down all of the fundamentals and all of the foundations that you need for a coaching business. And all of these strategies that I'm going to share with you are from people like William Brown, Alex Hormozy, and even myself, and all of them are tested. So I bet you have a skill and or a knowledge that many people are willing to pay high ticket for it. High ticket, I mean between 6K to 12K, that they want to learn it from you and or you doing it for them and manually helping them achieve the results they want to. Well, are you unsure? Just look at some of these examples, like how to design websites. For example, Flux Academy makes between 300K to 350K selling $2,000 courses to web designers. How to break alcohol addiction. Sober Leon makes 100 to 150K a month. How to stop smoking. 170K to 200Ks. And all of these videos, by the way, are raw head talking videos, like this video that you're watching. And then how to get lean as a Christian man. 100 to 200K. Brandon Clark is a really great fitness coach. How to make money with YouTube, 100 to 150K, Jordan Welch. All of these people like Jordan Welch had this knowledge before of scaling a YouTube channel, and they just share it online with raw videos and they instantly get sales like this. And let me give you another example. This video that you're watching, this channel that you're watching, I started this channel just 5 months ago, and since then I got many high ticket clients, although I don't have any subscribers actually. So how do you run a 100K a month coaching business? Well, I did 31K in December 2025. You can see the revenue and the net profit, and I've just done all of these from my laptop. So why not you? I just got 44 hours of watch time, which means every hour someone watches me, I make $1,000 in revenue. And I get to go around the world, go to the gym, and only spend 4 hours a day on work. So I'm going to share with you how to make 100K in just 5 months working 4 hours a day. But in this video, I can only give you the knowledge and the action is with yourself. But remember, if you don't take action on it, you're losing $666.667 a day. So the process that we're going to go over is a squeeze test, a fulfilling process, and an acquisition system to achieve 100K in just 5 months. So do you flip a coin to make or lose 100K? I won't. I don't know about you, but I won't. So just like an airline wouldn't accept airplanes that aren't tested before, your audience wouldn't accept the systems that haven't been tested before. So you can either do it yourself and show your experience or show your clients results. So how you can show your experience? Many of coaches have gotten results before, like fitness coaches are fit. Business coaches are rich, and relationship coaches are good in relationships. But something more important is to show your clients results. That's what really resonates with people and stick with people, that they see if this guy could help John do 10x more than what I want to do, then why shouldn't he be able to help me make 10x less? So now if you want to start from 0 to 5 months ago, you have to first get clients, then test your system, document the journey, and then you can increase your prices. Increasing prices always results in increasing profit margins, increasing your profit, and it is obviously the logical decision that you have to make finally. So if you already have an audience, reach out to them with a 9-word email, and you can see the results here. Like, hey Radman, I've seen your YouTube channel, I really like your analysis, I want to book a call. Or this guy saying tomorrow 10 a.m. UK time, I'm okay. Or hi, sorry for late reply. Yes, that would be definitely helpful. Yeah, that would be really helpful. You see the replies that you get because your audience have watched you and they're warm, and get them to test drive your system. And all of these clients are responding to a 9-word email, 9-word DM. You say, hey, first name, do you still need help with your problem? If so, reply and I'll lend a hand. Nothing more complicated. It's that simple that you can get 4 or 5 high ticket clients between 8K to 24K if you're selling high tickets. So reach out to all the people you didn't close before and ask them if they achieved the results they wanted to, kind of make them feel bad. Like, have you achieved the results you wanted to? You got out of the call with me and then you said you're gonna achieve all the results yourself, but you're at the same position that you were. So the only solution is getting back to me. And message everyone who booked the call and marked as no show. And this way you get 8 to 24K capital with the knowledge and clients' results. Now, clients on social media can trust you because you got your clients' results. And then comes the 100K launch day. After sharing your clients' stories on your Instagram highlights, your social media, and interview them personally face to face and putting it on a second YouTube channel, take note on each single step of the process you had to go through and make a perfect program as if you know all the answers to the questions that clients would ask. So for example, if someone asks me, how should I connect my Instagram account to my Facebook account? I already have the document. I'm just gonna send them the document. I'm not going to spend time on that question again. And then start a YouTube channel sharing all the lessons that you learned working with your clients, but just a fraction of them in each video. Like, I only show how to get traffic, how to do conversions. I don't show the backend system because people are going to get bored and many people won't even implement it, right? So now you have the capital. You have the knowledge, and there's no time better than now to run ads. You can run ads on the budget of $10 a day to $500 a day. And I know this sounds scary. For me, it was as well. But the moment that you start making money with ads, you won't get back again. It's like gambling. It gets you addicted, but the safe way. You know what I'm saying? So when you get a high ticket client PIF with $6,000 valuation and you only spend $10 a day on advertising, there's no problem for you to run more ads. But by this time, you have launched the business and you have successfully made 20K to 50K. But is this enough? Are you going to be able to keep this rolling? Well, no, because if you don't put the same work every single day, you're going to get down because the competition is moving much faster than what you think, and you have to become better every single time. So you have to get a full C-suite that makes the process better every single time. That's why I want you to take your time for 30 minutes and book a founder assessment call, first link in the description. I can help you and tell you what direction your business should go and exactly what you have to do in the next 30 days. So take your time, 30 minutes. There's absolutely no push. We have a done for you service there. And if you're not interested, also book a call because I can just help you build your systems. And if you're not interested, you will leave the call and I'll leave you alone. So take your time. It's the first link in the description and on the pinned comments as well. So the real truth is competition moves a lot faster than what you can think because at least 1,000 people that are humbled and they're entrepreneurs, they're looking to get the same results. And if you don't come back as stronger and more constant with your growth, they're going to take you over. And then you have to put up an acquisition system. So what is an acquisition system? When you get into 20K a month, 50K a month, that is the time that the scaling is the hardest, because starting an info business is looks like this on the chart. It's so easy to start, but as you keep up, you get less results for more work. So if you don't get the foundation and the systems ready, you're gonna lose a lot of money. Okay, so we will increase those prices as you sell more and as you get more clients results, and doing so you will make higher profit margins, and you will be able to spend more money for your clients and give them a 5-star experience. This usually gives you a lot of referrals that can add $5,000 to $15,000 to your revenue alone. And you have to choose your clients wisely and enjoy helping them. And the thing that I really want to talk about, now that you have the proven systems and your clients are coming in and you are getting results for them with your proven strategy, to scale to 100K a month, you need more capital. Even with higher prices, it is so easier to manage a team rather than do everything yourself. So reach out to me on Instagram and I'll give you a hand of how to build a 100K a month team. So I know this was a different type of videos. It's a top of funnel video to get more views. And if you watch this video until the end, it means that you're so serious about scaling your business. So put a like in the comments so I know you watched until the end. So hope you all to see you on the next one. Peace.